The Nespresso Lattissima Touch offers exceptional convenience, allowing you to enjoy the pleasure of many excellent coffee and milk recipes at the simple touch of a button. Just when you thought you couldn't add any more recipes to your repertoire with Lattissima Touch, they're essentially at your fingertips. Espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato. Choose between 6 coffee selections and milk recipes using the tactile control panel. Lattissima Touch offers endless possibilities in preparations, including those with your own touch. So don't be surprised if you start collecting friends along with your recipes. The Nespresso offers a wide variety of coffees to satisfy every taste at any moment of the day. All Nespresso coffees can also be enjoyed with milk or milk froth to create a variety of different recipes such as cappuccinos, lattes and macchiatos, and many more. Nespresso offers complimentary recycling service to all of its consumers. Recycle your used coffee capsules at your nearest Nespresso boutique. Drop off at a recycling collecting point or order bulk of a collection. Nespresso follows highly rigorous standards in selecting coffee. They create hermetically sealed and recyclable aluminum capsules as an optimal way to lock in freshness and provide exceptional taste. As a result, they offer a wide variety of coffees to satisfy every taste at any moment and wherever you want. This company believes that each cup of Nespresso has the potential to not only deliver a moment of pleasure, but also restore, replenish and revive environmental and human resources. In fact, a cup of coffee that can create a greater value for society and the environment. This is the positive cup vision and continuous Nespresso's commitment to sustainability, in coffee sourcing and the consumptions. In 2003, partnering with the Rainforest Alliances, this company established a AAA Sustainable Quality Program. It aims to secure great quality coffee while protecting the environment, improving the livelihood of farmers and supporting their communities. Since 2009, they have reduced the carbon. You want freshness, so they package their coffee footprint of each cup in aluminum capsules. Nespresso by over 20% and aim to reduce it. It's infinitely recyclable and excellent at further. Nespresso also plants trees to preserving the aroma and coffee flavor. Compensate for their operations by 2021. This company aimed to have 100% sustainably sourced aluminum. Well, that is all for today with the DeLonghi Nespresso Lattissima Touch. For more product details, check out the links in the description. Like, comment and share, and please never miss any updates by hitting the subscribe button and stay connected with me, Cyrus Syndicate UK.